How to download Spotify music for offline listening. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download songs for offline listening. First, open the Spotify app and find the song or songs you want to download. Tap the three dots next to a song. Select Add to Playlist. Now tap New Playlist. Give your playlist a name and type Create. You can continue adding as many songs as you want to this playlist. Next, tap Your Library at the bottom of the screen. Open the playlist you just created. Tap the Download button to download the songs to your device. Wait until the download is complete. Once your songs are downloaded, you can use Spotify's downloaded or offline content to listen without an internet connection. Keep in mind that downloading music for offline listening requires a Spotify Premium subscription. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Spotify music for offline listening. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Spotify tips and tutorials.